Okay, we're going to skip now to problem number 15. Again, we're asked to determine both the pH and pOH of the following strong base solutions. This time we're looking at a 1.00 times 10 negative 3 molar strontium hydroxide solution. So think about which one I'm going to solve for first. This time I'm going to solve for the pOH first because I'm dealing with a base. So pOH is equal to the negative log of the hydroxide ion concentration. Now, this time I'm going to take my strong base, strontium hydroxide, and I'm going to place it in water. But remember, and be careful here, for every 1 formula unit of strontium hydroxide, or for every 1 mole of strontium hydroxide, we're going to get 2 moles of hydroxide ions. And so as I think about my original concentration, 1.00 times 10 to the negative 3 molar strontium hydroxide, here the relationship is going to be a 2-to-1 relationship, meaning that the concentration of hydroxide ions is going to be twice the concentration of the original strontium hydroxide solution. Because again, for every 1 strontium hydroxide formula unit that's dissolved in solution, I'm going to get 2 hydroxide ions. Okay, so now that I know the concentration of my hydroxide ions, I simply take that value and plug it into the formula for pOH, which again is the negative log of that concentration. In this case, 2.00 times 10 to the negative 3. A quick trip over to my calculator, negative log 2.00, second E, negative 3, close parentheses, solve. My pOH value, notice I have 3 total sig figs, so I'm going to go to 3 sig figs after the decimal here. I'm going to go 2.699 for my pOH value. Now, don't forget we're asked to solve for the pH. Easy enough to do once you're given the pOH. Just simply remember that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Well, I don't know what the pH value is. I do know that the pOH is 2.699. I subtract 2.699 from each side, which means that the pH of this solution is 11.301. Again, these values make sense because I'm working with a base. I should have a low pOH value and a high pH value.